Good morning. I hope you all had a great day yesterday with your first day of virtual learning. Today is Thursday, October 15th, and you are in English Language Arts. I'm going to be going over with you the activities that we're going to do today, and just keep in mind that Google Meet is open. You can jump in and ask me any questions that you might have about any of the assignments or anything else. My Google Meet will be open during class. You can also email me if you would rather ask me a question privately, because Google Meet will be open for everybody. But anyway, the first thing we want to do this morning is complete our daily grammar practice. Now, today you're going to spend a little bit more time on it. Because you're going to complete the whole thing today. You're going to do week 6 sentence on a piece of loose leaf paper. Who likes to write in a notebook on rainy days? That's our question. Ooh, I gave it away. Who likes to write in a notebook on rainy days? So you'll write that on your paper. Remember to label it and title it. Put your name in the upper right-hand corner, because you are going to turn it in, and I need to have your name on it so that I can see it. But first, you're going to label your capitalization, punctuation, and parts of speech. Your resources are over here, as they always are. Then you're going to rewrite your sentence, and then you're going to pay attention to the sentence part labeling, and you're going to identify the complete subject and the complete predicate. Remember, the subject is who is doing the action in the sentence, and the predicate is the action and everything related to the action. So the subject gets 1 underline, the predicate gets 2. Make sure you label whether your verb is transitive or intransitive. I'll give you a hint. This week you do have a direct object, so make sure you label that. Also, you have prepositional phrases. There's more than one. Therefore, you will also have more than one object of the preposition. So make sure you complete that second step before moving on to the final step. Notice we are not going to be diagramming or doing a sentence imitation. I've cut this part a little bit short to make it easier for you to finish. So then you're going to write your sentence one more time. So on your paper, you should have your sentence written 3 times. Then you're going to mark the clauses in this third sentence with brackets. Label whether it's an independent clause or a dependent clause. Remember, if you can't tell the difference between that, you can always go here to your help pages. That explains everything you need to know about clauses, sentence type, and sentence purpose. Once you've marked your sentence type and labeled your sentence purpose, you are ready to turn in your paper. So just take a picture of it and add it to this assignment post. Once you finish with DGP, I want you to go on to the other assignment that you have for this class period, and that is a Quizzizz vocabulary practice. Let me see if I can get it. You're going to go straight to this assignment, and it should open up for you. Here it is. And it's going to be vocabulary that you're going to hear me use quite a bit during discussions of texts. You know, the next book we're reading is Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde. And so these words are going to be used quite a bit with our discussions in that book. And really, these type words you're going to hear in any discussion of any text. These are basic words that you need to be able to know their meanings. Now, these are going to be definitions, and then you match the word that best fits that definition. So let's say you don't know what the word traced means in order to know whether or not it's going to be the right answer. So what you can always do is go over to Google and type in the word traced, and it will give you a definition. So be sure and use this if necessary. If there's a word in the answer choices that you do not know the meaning of, make sure you look it up. And remember the word so that you'll learn a new word. There's about 30 or so of these words in this vocabulary practice. I want you to do all questions in it before you consider yourself finished. So once you do finish, you can go back to Google Classroom and click on Turned In so that I can view your completed quizzes and your completed DGP. I hope you have a great Thursday. Remember, if you need to watch this again, particularly in the DGP section, just stop the video anywhere you want to stop it and repeat any parts that you need to hear again. Have a great day, and I look forward to seeing you on Monday.